welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll explore how to raise a good child. It's a vast topic with various methods, and I'll share mine to you. First thing first, discipline. It doesn't have to be rigid, but it should be consistent with consequences for bad behavior. Kids should learn about boundaries to make them feel safe and secure. If you don't enforce boundaries, your child might not comprehend authority in general. It might even impact their future relationship and success. It's essential to establish rules and guidelines for your child because without them, kids can be easily swayed by their desires. They might not have money yet, but they can certainly cause chaos through temper tantrums or disobedience. Therefore, it's vital to instill discipline in them early on. Second, master their emotions. This may sound strange, but it's true. When they're upset, it's important to instruct them to stop and say, "I cannot hold this feeling right now." We want them to learn that anger needs to be processed at home, not in public places. This is your first duty as a parent, and it lays the foundation for raising an exceptional child. Third, respect. It's crucial to teach your child the importance of respect from a young age. By doing so, you lay the foundation for a healthy relationship built on mutual understanding and love. Last, communication. When a kid learns to communicate their emotion through words, they are less likely to use physical means to get attention. I remember an acquaintance whom I meet in the church has a son who likes to play with my daughter, but he cannot speak well and his form of greeting is mocking my daughter. Could I understand that this kind of behavior is due to lack of communication ability? So I didn't get upset, but of course I don't want to see my daughter being harmed. So I told my daughter to stay away from him. His mom also says sorry for his son's behavior and told me that he's in therapy. Although I feel it's his mom's fault for not teaching him to communicate, I just swallow my opinion since we're not really that close. So teaching your kids to communicate their emotions or feelings is very important. As your child grows older and navigates through life, they may face challenges and difficulties that seem overwhelming at times. That's where open communication with you or another trusted adult comes in handy. By sharing their concerns and working together on solutions, your child will develop resilience and learn how to overcome life's obstacles effectively. So, there you have it, the 4 crucial elements for raising a good child. Discipline, master their emotion, respect, and communication. I hope these insights will help you in your journey as a parent or caregiver. Remember, every moment spent with our children is an opportunity to shape their future for the better. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more great contents like this one. Until next time, take care of yourselves and your little ones.